Hi everyone, my name is Emanuel and I'm the founder of Class Chat. And at Class Chat, we're modernizing schools' communication systems. Class Chat uses schools' data to kind of modernize the onboarding process for their students and teachers, admins, parents into the platform. So typically most companies will use an invite link or class codes or some sort of hybrid of those two. With Class Chat, we don't use any of those. We just ask that our users sign in with their school information, typically their school email and password, and they're transported right away to the proper group chats with their teachers and peers and their entire school even. And this allows admins, teachers to easily reach their students and parents and with little to no hassle. So the Institute supported me by providing a network of different people to rely on for questions and any thoughts I may have regarding to my personal business. So on top of that, they provided me with access to a network of individuals who eventually helped tailor my business to the point where it was accelerator acceptable, and that's how I am where I am now.